We will learn how to delete a record in the database using PDO. First, create a link for deletion, href read.php page, and pass two variables. One is for getting row ID, another is for identifying the action, which action we want to perform. ID and action is equal to dig. Now get these two IDs in a variable. If dollar underscore get action equal to del, then action will be performed. Now get the row ID, RID, now write a simple deletion query, SQL delete from TBL user, create a condition where ID equal to placeholder for ID. If you are not using the where condition, all record will be deleted in once, so be careful about this ID. Now prepare the query. Now bind the row ID, placeholder variable, now execute the query, $query object execute. Now print the successful message, echo data deleted. Here we define the anchor value to delete. Now we will get the delete button here. Click on this button, record is deleted. If you want to a confirmation message, then create a HTML function on click. Return confirm. Do you pass your message? Every time you click on the delete action, this message will pop up and ask you, do you really want to delete or not? Do you really want to delete? If you click cancel, record will not be deleted, and if you click OK, record will be deleted successfully. Record deleted. This is all about how to delete record from database. If you have any query regarding this, you can leave a message in comment section.